Welcome to Acumatica Summit 2025, the highly anticipated annual event for business and technology innovators. This year, we gathered at Wynn Las Vegas to explore the latest insights into digital transformation with cloud ERP and AI-powered technology. The event kicked off with an outstanding keynote presentation by Acumatica CEO John Case, alongside company executives and valued customers. They shared how the latest AI-driven innovations, a continuously growing ecosystem, and a customer-focused approach are unlocking new opportunities for businesses to boost productivity and scale their operations. In this session, attendees gained key insights, including how to leverage the latest product innovations, inspiring success stories from businesses growing with cloud ERP, visionary demonstrations showcasing how AI is shaping the future of Acumatica's features, exciting product and business announcements. No wonder the Day 1 keynote was one of the most anticipated moments at Acumatica Summit 2025. On Day 2, the main stage was filled with Acumatica's engineers, developers, and industry experts. They introduced the latest features and capabilities of Acumatica's cloud ERP solution, designed to support business growth across various industries. Attendees also heard firsthand from customers who have successfully implemented Acumatica in manufacturing, retail, distribution, professional services, and construction. Even more exciting, the Acumatica team revealed how artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping the product roadmap, taking efficiency and scalability to the next level. Acumatica Summit 2025 wasn't just about innovation. It was a powerful opportunity for the business community to connect, learn, and transform with cutting-edge technology. Want to experience the full sessions? Watch the complete Acumatica Summit 2025 recordings now.